Hello traders, wherever you are in the world, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Today is Wednesday, the 17th of April. And as always, guys, we're going to start with looking back at yesterday's trades. But if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news as well. So let's start with yesterday. Let's get going. So the trade I took was this, right? And it's Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Right. So you can see it was in an uptrend. Okay. And then ever since we broke these lows here, yeah, we've been in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. Only just, but this candle broke those lows. We're below the moving average 20. We've got a bit of room to move into, and I'm still in this trade for 20%. If we drop down to the H1, it was simply a H1 entry, right? Basically, if we follow H1 structure, you can see that price broke down, and then this high never broke. That last high there never broke. This wick never broke this high, and then this wick was never broken. Okay, so this candle was the catalyst, this big red candle, but I waited for a nice retrace. And I got that retrace and I entered here, I put my stop above here, and then I took profit at 600 pretty much. Okay. All right. So I got my 1:1. I've closed 80% and I'm going to let 20% run. Okay, guys. And if you want this trade idea and all of my trade signals every single day, then please come join the VIP Trading Academy, where I give you entries, stop losses, take profit. Yeah, come join the VIP Trading Academy. It's free at the moment. Check out the promotion. So that was the only trade that I took yesterday, guys. And yeah, made some nice profit. We're letting some 20% run. We was also looking at a couple of US dollar pairs, but yeah, they didn't really give us a setup. So Euro US dollar, yeah, we were looking to sell for obvious reasons. Yeah, we're clearly in a downtrend. Okay, I probably won't be trading it today because of yesterday's candles, a bit of indecision there. All right, so yeah, probably not a trade idea for today, but we were looking to sell it yesterday. If we drop down to the H1, it was just scruffy price action, really. We had this level marked out yesterday, right? This grey zone through here. And none of these candles were bearish enough for me, this one or this one. You know, this one's got a bottom wick held at this low. This one was a bit of a doji. So, yeah, just no trade there. And then after that, it sort of broke this level, did come back down, but nothing's been telling me to get into this trade as yet. I'll probably move these grey zones now to incorporate this level, and I'll keep an eye on it, but yeah, no trade yesterday. And it was also the same for US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if we start with the day chart, again, for obvious reasons, we were looking to buy. We're clearly in an uptrend, right? We were getting bullish candles, and also yesterday was a bullish candle, a little bit helped by the Canadian dollar CPI. So the direction was good, but again, if we look at the H1, before the news, it was breaking down, right? And then the news came out, and it shot back up, and I was actually looking for a retrace, but it just come too late, guys. Really, I was looking for a retrace down to here so that my trade made sense, because if this is my target, this is my stop loss, I had to have a retrace before I could enter. But it just happened basically when I was going to bed, getting my beauty sleep. So I didn't trade this, and I wouldn't have done anyway, because look at the H4 candles. Yeah, we're starting to see a bit of top wicks here. So that would have put me off taking it anyway. So those were the trades. Oh, no, sorry, there's one more trade from yesterday, and it's the NASDAQ. Forgive me. If we look at the day chart, I still like this for sells. Right, we're broken out of this range here, so the price has been ranging. Yeah, ranging, 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 right? But then this candle here, this big bearish candle, broke the lows. I still like this candle for sells as well. And we were just trying to take price from there back down to here. But again, you know, if you drop down to the height, it's just, look at that nasty price action. It's just horrible. Yeah, that is a little bit untradeable, that price action. I need to see a clear breakout of all of this crap, to be quite honest. We get a nice big bearish candle. Yeah, or, you know, even on the H4, if we start seeing a nice big bearish red candle, I would consider it as well. But yesterday, no trade. Those were the trade ideas from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now, smash the notification button, and if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the channel. Shukran, Dankashan, Salamat. Right, trades for Wednesday the 17th of April. Before I get started, guys, first of all, please come join our trading community. It's free. We've got like-minded traders sharing trades, knowledge, ideas, experiences. So come join our free Discord channel. All you need to do is create a username and we let you in. Simple as that. Also, guys, right now, we are giving away for free our VIP Trading Academy if you sign up with our preferred broker. In the VIP Trading Academy, I give you all of my trades, my trade signals. I give you all of my tutorials, all of the knowledge from over the years, and you get direct access to me, plus much, much more within the VIP Trading Academy. So check out that promo right now. Also, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. And again, there's many perks for doing so. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. And don't forget to join me for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York Eastern Time. Get your questions ready for me. Right, trades for today. So, you know, it's been no secret. Yeah, we've been discussing this in the VIP as well. But, you know, the indices have been dropping. Yeah, I mean, this is the S&P. Yeah, this is potentially a sell as well. I mean, this has been dropping. If we look at the Dow Jones, this is dropping like a stone. Right, we've had a lot of sell-off on the indices. But the one I like is the NASDAQ. And this is about not listening to noise, right? So, you know, a lot of people are basically suggesting the indices are dropping to levels where buyers are interested, right? People are waiting for a drop in the indices so they can buy it. But that is noise. That is opinion. That is hearsay. You don't know that, right? Nobody knows that. Yeah. But what we do know is that the NASDAQ is breaking down. That is not hearsay. That is not noise. That is fact, right? The indices are breaking down. And the one I prefer is this, the NASDAQ. Yeah, I liked it yesterday. I like it still today. Why do I like it? Well, yeah, like I said yesterday, we've been in this range and price is just, you know, broken down. Yeah, it's broken out of this range. Okay, we had a nice big bearish candle. That was the catalyst, right? But even yesterday, look at the rejection candle of our grey zone, right? And if I zoom out, there's still room to move into, okay? So all this noise about, oh, people are buying the dips on the indices, hearsay, nonsense. Follow the facts of the chart, right? And the facts are structured trend, support and resistance, candlesticks, value, right? Simple as that. So we're interested in selling for all of those reasons, guys. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, so there's a couple of ways I'm going to trade this really, right? So, you know, is this candle bearish enough to trade? Probably not for me, right? So I'm not interested in that candle. However, you know, we are in a H4 downtrend. And if this, you know, price should retrace a little bit more, perhaps we get a nice big bearish H4 candle like this, I will start selling it. Yeah, I'll take some profit here. I'll leave some profit to run to our blue line, our higher time frame target. Okay, so that's the H4. With the H1, it's a bloody mess, right? It is. Yeah, that price action is, I mean, what is that? It's just crappy price action, okay? I would wait for a break of this low. So let's say we just get some more, crappy price action, and then bang, we get a nice big bearish candle that looks like this, breaking these lows. I would also sell that. All right, so they're my two ways I will enter the NASDAQ, and we're looking to sell that. So that's the first trade idea. My second trade idea is Euro Pound. I mentioned it in the live stream yesterday. If we start with the day chart, this too is in a range, right? It's ranging from here to here. But this is a uptrend stroke range. Why is it an uptrend? Well, look at this. Okay, so this is where we're at. We got higher lows, we got higher highs. So we're in an uptrend stroke range. So it makes sense that I want to buy the bottom of the range up to the top. Okay, makes sense, right? Again, logical stuff. This is all I'm teaching, guys, simple, logical price action. If we drop down to the H1 now, or the H4, let's look at the H4 first of all. So you can see this gray zone here is the last H4 high, right? If it breaks this, I'm clearly interested and want to take price up to here. If we drop down to the H1 now, this would be how I will enter, right? So let's say we get a nice bullish candle that looks like this, breaks through this level, right? I will enter here, put my stop below this last H1 swing low, and look to take price up to the top of that range. All right, so yeah, Euro Pound, we're looking to buy that. That's my second trade idea. And then also, guys, I'm still looking at Canadian dollar Swiss franc, right? We've been in this since yesterday. If we look at the day chart, yeah, it's still coming down. So this is my third trade idea. If we look at price action, yeah, it's clearly breaking down, right? We've got lower highs, lower lows, right? In a downtrend. And what I also like is that this candle, yeah, the body of this candle broke the lows of this candle. Yeah, that is a continuation of trend for me. Admittedly, this candle could be more bearish. I don't like this bottom wick, but I'm still interested in it. All right, and again, we're looking to take price back down to this 6,560. If we drop down to the H1, there's a couple of levels here, right? As you know, I like to be with H1 structure, right? And right now, okay, we still are, right? This is where we're at. We're in a H1 downtrend. So if price retraces into here, yeah, and we get a nice bearish reaction, I would consider selling it from here because H1 structure hasn't broken. If it breaks this, I am interested in this level as well, right? But let me show you this on the H4. This becomes a H4 level, right? This level here, which will also be a nice level because of the moving average 20. Maybe we get a reaction in here and then we could start selling. All right, guys, so those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 17th of April. Before I get started, guys, please don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York Eastern Time. Get your questions ready for me and please subscribe and like the channel. Right, news for today. These times are all London GMT, so 7 o'clock coming out of the UK. We've got CPI and some PPI. So these are obviously important figures for the pound, could move any pound pair. And then after that, at 10 o'clock, we've got CPI coming out of the euro. So again, very important for the euro. So that euro pound trade that we're looking at today, we might need to leave, well, we will need to leave alone until this data has come out. At 11 o'clock, we've got an EU Leaders Summit, worth pointing that out. After that, at 3:30 London GMT, we've got crude oil inventory. So this could affect US dollar, Canadian dollar, and obviously oil. After that, we've got a couple of speakers. Yeah, at 5 o'clock, we've got the Bank of England Governor Bailey speaking. So obviously he can move the markets, and the head of the ECB, Lagarde. So she can move the markets also, both speaking at 5 o'clock. And then after that, nothing else to worry about. All right, guys. So yeah, I hope you have a great trading day. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. See you soon.